Sahih al-Bukhari 3241, narrated Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I looked at a paradise and found poor people forming the majority of its inhabitants, and I looked at hell and saw that the majority of its inhabitants were women. Sahih al-Bukhari 3242, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, while I was asleep, I saw myself in paradise, and there I beheld a woman making ablution beside a place. I asked, to whom does this place belong? They said, to Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Then I remembered Umar's gara concerning women, and so I quickly went away from the places. When Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha heard this from the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he wept and said, do you think it is likely that I feel gaira because of you, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Sahih al-Bukhari 3243, narrated Abdullah bin Qais al-Ashari radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, a tent in paradise is like a hollow pearl which is 30 miles in height, and on every corner of the tent the believer will have a family that cannot be seen by the others, narrated Abu Imran radiyallahu ta'ala anha. In another narration, the tent is 60 miles in height. Sahih al-Bukhari 3244, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah said, I have prepared for my pious slave things which have never been seen by an eye, or heard by an ear, or imagined by a human being. If you wish, you can recite this verse from the Holy Quran. No soul knows what is kept hidden from them of joy as a reward for what they used to do. 32.17, Sahih al-Bukhari 3245, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, the first group of people who will enter paradise will be glittering like the moon will it is full. They will not spit or blow their noses or relive nature. Their utensils will be of gold, and their combs of gold and silver in their centers, and aloe wood will be used, and their sweet will smell like musk. Every one of them will have to use the marrow of the bones of the views. Legs will be seen through the flesh out of excessive beauty. They, i.e., the people of paradise, will neither have differences nor hatred amongst themselves. Their hearts will be as if one heart, and they will be glorifying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the morning and in the evening. And subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.